let's discover this property. So we know that any quantity times 0, we get 0, right? So what happens if A times B equals 0? So what can we conclude about A or B? If this two factor, A and B multiplied equals 0, then what can we say about A or B?
One of them is 0.
Yeah, one of them has to be 0, right? So maybe A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or both of them equal to 0, right? So this is an inclusive OR. That means it could be both, okay? So A will be equal to 0 or B equal to 0, okay? So this is called the zero factor property. When you multiply factors and the product is equal to 0, then you can conclude that at least one of the factor is equal to 0. So it's kind of like maybe in the crime scene, right? So there are only two suspects in the scene, right? So maybe this guy did it, or this guy did it, or this guy did it, or maybe all of them did it, right? So one of them have done it, okay? Okay, so one of them has to be 0. Okay, now we're going to use this zero factor property to solve quadratic equation.